A total of 198 voters from 69 families from CPIM, Congress and Tripura has joined the BJP on Saturday evening at Krishnapur Jarilanka Village. Tripura Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma and MDC Vidyut Debarma has welcomed their new supporters with their party flag. In preparation for the coming 2024 Lok Sabha election, the BJP, Tripura and other parties were taking their necessary initiatives across the hilly areas in the state. Likewise, the Tripura Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma is already in the field of preparing for the coming election every day in an areas of Krishnapur Constituent Assembly. Similarly, a public meeting of the BJP was organized at Jarilanka Village on Saturday evening. Minister Vikas Debarma was attended as the chief guest. MDC Vidyut Debarma and the President of Krishnapur Mandal Tapan Nama Das and other executives were present. A total of 198 voters from 69 families from CPIM, Congress and Tripura has joined the BJP on the day Saturday evening. Tripura Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma and MDC Vidyut Debarma has welcomed their new supporters with their party flag.
Joining Sanja kaham joto media rongno khakaham tai prothomo ini jara phaine rongno borongno belai khakaham ei hamjang ya phore borongno chibai ini 29 Krishnapur Bidhan Sabha ni bisingo Jarilanka kami o buto 25 number vote 69 family ni 198 ভোটার CPM Congress te bibhinno dol jakaroi tini mot tabuk third time mane দ্বিতীয় moni sakang dui prothom te second time join khai phaika tabuk mot titiyo time 3 number chung tabuk jara phainai मोदी जी ने जे नाहारमु डॉक्टर मानिक साहब ने जे नाहारमु चिनी ने प्रेसिडेंट राजीव बट्टा जी ने नाहारमु सबका साथ सबका विकास ते उन्नयनमुखी मनो नाहारै चिनी उरने जे कृष्णपुर भोटार ते सारा त्रिपुरा राज्यनि जारा भोटार बरफ ताबो बिरोधी शून्य खायै बीजेपी बाय खायै एक संगे सामन तांनानै थांतंगो बसकांगो 2024 लोकसभा निर्वाचन ओ निर्वाचन जों प्रचुर विपुल भोटे जों 2टा सीट मोदी जी उपहार रिनाय आबानि बागैनो तिनि जत तिनि दले दले पाले पाले खायै तिनि बीजेपी ओ फायदों आबानि बागैनो जारा फायै बरनो हामबाय ते जारा फायखौ बरक दतिनो फायै जोंबाय यागबा याग्रमय काम खायनै आं बरनोबो पसाव बुसु फैमिली नि बुसु भोटार जॉइन खाय करो 69 फैमिली नि 198 भोटार इनि ओ Jarilanka कामी 25 नंबर भोट 29 नि 25 म एसडीएम ऑफिस गानो एकदम लामा किनारो चिनी बुकुं बारा रमान इनि उरो जॉइन खायगा बरो बेले बेले हामबा
A particular Tripura guy who has joined the BJP coming from CPIM party has explained to the news reporters on what reason did they needed to leave their party and join to BJP.
CPM yakaroi ini BJP di kota-kota phaka.
Tan bagi ma phena nangka CPM yakaroi usuk yon pore.
Chinaro dirgo din dhore CPM khaimani pore chino jaga drain ni ekta समस्या एकदम नगद 45 सन दङ थांना नखला हारबे यास कुजरा जों बहुत कष्ट दङ और माने मसारानि माथाय बर लेखाफोरानि जदिन आगि सिन नखला सिनि आगि जे दङरा खायलांनि बालखाय गायस आं बिसेस खायो दाबो दिनै सार दिनै मेमति विकास सारनो जे खाय हैने आशा खायो आंरो बिजिना हामले
आपने नि सिनि मुंके
आन मुं जगन्नाथ देबमा
आपने नि या ग्रुमे बुसु फैमिली फाइजार
दाबो आं मोर फाइगासिनो 70 परिवार 198
Minister Vikas Debarma states that in coming days, many more voters from various political parties will be joining with BJP under Krishnapur Constituent Assembly area. Reported by Bipla from Chini, Khorang.